All right, even with all the market turmoil, maybe because of it, mortgage interest rates are at historic lows and getting lower. And get this, they're probably not going to be going up now for another 2 years, or at least the rates over which the Federal Reserve has some control. A 30-year fixed rate mortgage at 4.33%. 15-year rates are very low. We got a 30-year fixed refi at only 4.42%. But there is a major problem. From new home buyers to refinancing, few are taking advantage of the low rates. Realtor Connie Groot here to explain why. Connie, why not? Why can't people seize on this?
Well, a lot of people still can't qualify for a loan. Also, there's a lot of paperwork, and they get confused and bogged down by the paperwork. True, rates are very low and very tempting, but when people look at the amount of paperwork necessary and also the cost for appraisals, sometimes numerous appraisals, they decide, it's not worth it for me. So they decide to wait. So that's kind of a little bit of the problem.
I was thinking how ridiculously low these rates are right now, and without the government telling them to do so, and without any government edict to force them to do so, it would probably be in the bank's interest to renegotiate a lot of loans for good and bad borrowers alike, if for no other reason than to shore up what is already market forces in play that would assure lower payments for everyone.
That's actually interesting that you would say that, because we're finding that the banks are being a little stronger and less likely to negotiate with short pays, and they're staying more firm on the price, which is kind of leading me to assume that maybe they have a little more confidence regarding the price of the real estate. They're not as anxious to let go of it.
But I'm not saying they have to let go. You see, I'm saying that they just, all right, if you had, normally if you were, the government was forcing on one of these Obama plans, well, cut their rate in half or cut a few percentage points off, that would be obviously very tough for them to do, no matter how much money they're making or regardless. But if the market rates are such that they're obscenely low anyway, it's very little skin off their nose, so why not?
I don't know. I think you'd have to ask somebody that is a lender. I don't know the answer to that question, but I do want to say that even if prices and rates are very, very low, people are not moving forward to buy because of the lack of confidence. There's too much fear. Yeah. Most of our leaders are basically going out there and they're selling fear. If I handled my business that way, if I delivered bad news to my clients by saying, oh my gosh, the sky is falling and the whole thing's going to fall apart, you're going to lose money, they would flip out. They would have a heart attack. I think that there should be clarity, which we're seeing that there is some clarity with rates. That's going to help people plan. And also there needs to be a little more calm in the delivery of the message. I think that if we do that, that's going to help housing, and that's going to get people to at least have a little more confidence that, they're going to be okay. They may not be perfect, but the people in charge are handling it. At least that's what I try and do for my clients. And you can deliver terrible message, but at least when people feel that they're in good hands, they can deal with it.
That would really help. That is very well put. Connie, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Connie in L.A. Well, right.